I don't know if the camera is capturing this or not, but it looks like that splice is barely hanging on. We'll see if it feeds. It did not. Bummer. Bummer. All right, let me cancel. At least it didn't waste too much on that print. All right, bummer. All right, I'm gonna have to get those silicone sleeves and try that again. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or any such things like that in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Blessings.